Yeah, this is a Toyota Corolla. The base model didn't come with any keyless entry, so he was tired of, after a few years owning the car, to have to put the key in and turn it. So we suggested we give him a little keyless entry. He didn't want an alarm. He just wanted to lock and unlock the doors. The doors are locked. When you hit the button, that'll unlock the doors. Locks your doors. It does the driver. And then if you hit it one more time like factory, it does the rest. We also gave it so it will flash the lights. You know, at nighttime he'll be able to see if you know, if the car is locked and unlocked by giving them that little sign. Yeah, this is a nice little add-on, and for those folks who bought these type of cars that don't have any keyless entry and you got to keep using the key. This is a keyless entry add-on to this vehicle. This is on a Toyota Corolla. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.